Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw a nice cat. First up, you're gonna want to draw a nice big oval for this body right here. Make it nice and big, and then you're gonna want to draw the legs. Make sure not to forget both legs, both pairs. And then after that, you're gonna draw a nice long tail. Make sure it's all nice and curvy. Get a nice shape right there. And then you're gonna want to draw the head, a nice big circle, just like that. And then don't forget the ears, of course. And then most importantly, you can't forget the face and the whiskers as well. And there you have it. There's your completed cat. I hope this helped.